Hi and welcome to new video from Technery.com. Today we are going to review Goki Smart Vital 2.0 smartwatch. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and put the bell notifications on to get the latest video updates from our side. So this is the latest Goki smartwatch, which is the Goki Smart Vital 2.0. So it comes with HD display with resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. So it is a 1.57-inch HD color display. So this is the box. There are a lot of features mentioned. So we talk about all the features. So this watch is able to calculate the steps, distance covered, calories burned, active time, auto sleep tracking and much more. So let's do the unboxing and get to know about this smartwatch. So after opening the box, you can see the smartwatch itself. So this is a Smart Vital 2.0 and the USP of this device is that it can measure your ECG as well. So this device is touchscreen, the display is touchscreen and it does look awesome. So it also comes with IP68 water or dust resistance. It comes with 3 months of personal coaching and also you get an user manual. So you get 3 months of personal coaching, so you can connect with the Goki healthcare system and you can talk to the doctor, you can consult with a fitness coach as well. So with the device you also get a charger. So you can easily charge the smartwatch with this charger and it also has a USB, so you can easily charge it anytime. So in the 3 months of activation, you can do doctor consultation, personal coaching, expert advice and you can also access Goki Play. So with the smartwatch, you also get straps. So you can connect the straps yourself. It's very easy to connect. I will show you how you can attach them. So in this way, you can join the straps to the smartwatch. It's very easy. I must say that the quality of the straps has improved a lot than the predecessors. So in this way, in just a few seconds, I have attached the straps to the smartwatch. So this smartwatch comes with a plethora of features. So as you can see, this is the home screen. And here you can see a lot of features like vitals, exercise, alarm. So in vitals, you can check your heart rate, SpO2, ECG, and as well as blood pressure. So once we click on heart rate, it automatically checks your heart rate. So it's very easy to check your heart rate anytime. You can also check your SpO2. So we have checked SpO2 in the previous watches as well. But here you can also check ECG, which is a fantastic feature in this smartwatch. So with just touching the sensors, you can check your ECG anytime. This is a big deal if you are a heart patient or a fitness enthusiast, then you can easily check your ECG anytime with ease on your wrist with the ease of Goki Smartwatch Vital 2.0. I really like the feature as it can calculate the ECG perfectly and in very less time. You can also connect with the app to check your BP, that is blood pressure. So these were the vitals which you can check. Now there are a lot of exercise boards like running, workout, cycle, walk, badminton, cricket, yoga, relaxation, climb, aerobics, basketball, badminton, soccer, dance, table tennis, rope jumps, sit-ups, volleyball, tennis, meditation as well. So you can track a lot of exercises and activities using this Smart Vital 2.0. You can also set an alarm with ease. Let's check out the settings. You can change the wallpaper. So there are many wallpapers. You can change any of the wallpapers with ease. So there are 10 wallpapers already by default. So you can change as per the need. So some wallpapers does look awesome. So this is a notification. You can easily check out the battery percentage. You can also change the brightness of the screen. So this is a very nice color display. You can change the brightness accordingly as per your need. You can also activate or deactivate the raise to wake. You can also find your phone. So if you're connected your smartphone by Bluetooth, you can do that. There's DND mode as well. You can activate. There's also a timer button. So you can set the timer as per your need. So here you can access the settings as well. So screen time you can adjust the font size as well from small to large. There's also power off button, reset, battery button as well. So you can check out the battery anytime. This is the about. So you can check out the software version. You can also easily download the Goki app. So there are also help section as well. So you can easily reset the device, power off the device, and the battery life is really great. I have used it extensively, and at least for 7 days there's no need to charge the device again. You can also set stopwatch. There's find phone feature as well, weather feature as well. So once you connect a smartphone, you can check out the weather on the wrist. So here you can check out the steps. So how many steps you traveled during the day, how many steps you walked or ran. You can check out the steps with ease. You can also see the distance you covered while walking or running, and also you can check the calories burned. So today I burnt 191 kilocalories. So I can check out how much energy I have burned. Also the heart rate. So 94 bpm is the heart rate. You can also check the body temperature. So all these features you can access with the finger touch. So that's really amazing. So with this smartwatch you also get 5 lakh rupees of health covered and 1 lakh rupees of life insurance covered. So that's really amazing. So if you want the smartwatch at a discounted price, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. So my experience with the Goki Smart Vital 2.0 was really amazing. So it really tracked all the vitals perfectly. You can track it as well. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get at least 20% discount on this smartwatch. Kindly like the video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and put the bell notifications on to get the latest video updates from our side. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.